Good morning. Good morning. Time to get up and get at 'em, man. See what I got. Got the fishing gear. You know, finna head out with my boy Eric. See what we can, scrabble up a little bit. But before then, I gotta make a few stops. Few stops. One, I gotta get some gas. Two, gotta find a bucket, bro. Cause we catch and keep. I don't know about all that catch and release stuff. You know what I mean? But definitely going out there, have a good time, and figure out what's going on, man. But all right, we'll check back in when we get to the lake. Okay, so boom, had to make a quick target run. Trying to find a bucket, like I said in the last video. Or did I not say that, bro? But I thought about it and I was like, I need a bucket, so I'm gonna keep the fish real. And so I was like, dang, let me come to Target real quick, see what they got. They don't have anything for this. Going to go out there. But Target in the morning, bro, I don't know, it just feel weird. Feels like the movie Get Out for real. Feels like I don't belong here. All I see is old white people. But, but yeah. Okay. Finally made it to the spot, man. I beat Eric here, so shit. I'm gonna go ahead and just post up. One thing I couldn't find, man, was my lawn chairs though. I don't know where those are at, but we're gonna make it happen regardless. It is what it is. When I'm fishing, I don't like to carry that much gear for real. I like to just bring my book bag, a few poles, you know, tackle box. But that's about it. But if it's fish out there, I'm gonna get them. Got some night crawlers, got some jigs. I meant, but we gonna figure it out. All right, bet. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the water. So I had the late man. Gonna go ahead and get it up. Just try out with these worms first and just see what we can do. Last time I was out here, I had to use a small little hook. So see, and yeah, I'm using night crawlers, man. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna show that on the video, man. You know how some people learn. And the key to fishing, man, always bring you some type of towel for real, man, because you gotta wash your hands, dry your hands off, man. Can't be walking around with damn worm hands. All right, man, we back. We back. My boy Eric just pulled up. Not getting no bites just yet. I'm trying to figure out what they gonna be bite, how they gonna be biting, top, bottom. So I'm really just trying everything right now. Fishing is the game of patience, my friend. The game of patience. Yo, what's going on, my man? Doing good. Look who just pulled up. That boy Eric just pulled up. And we are back. Headed to swimming practice. Phone is now all charged up. Took a little nap from the fishing. Didn't catch no fish, but that's okay. Hate Atlanta traffic during the weekends. There's certain time periods where you can't even drive the way you want. You got something to say about that?
Facts. Hello. Little passenger prince today.
Guess I'm a passenger prince today, y'all. Which is good. Sometimes I don't like driving.
Oh, I like that color.
What is that kind of a bronze color? I like that type of Mercedes Benz. I'm gonna get one of those. Mm-hmm. Aisha's in the back. She's getting ready for swim practice. She's gonna be, our Olympian. In what 30? No, 2037. Now the big truck scared me. But yeah, that's just what we do. Cool. But yeah, we have a good vlog today, and I'm grilling when we get back. It's not too hot. Sun is not out. It's kind of a perfect time, honestly. I got hot dogs and chicken. So, all right, we'll see y'all when we get to swimming practice.
We made it to her swim lesson. Andrew's getting her out the car. You ready? Yeah, she's ready. You guys gotta see her swimsuit I bought her. Too cute. Too cute.
We can't show y'all where we go swimming at. That's confidential.
I already showed this.
Oh shit. We are all dressed for swim practice. Aren't we? Aisha loves swim practice. We go every Saturday.
I'll walk like
Aisha, you got something to say to the people? You gonna say something?
Come here, take a picture.
But typical Saturday. Typical Saturday.
Girl, stand up.
Me and Daisha usually take turns getting into the pool, but the past 3 classes, I've been the one in the pool. But it is what it is. I like it, especially because the pool be warm. They're back here taking pictures.
Come on. You want to come up here?
As always. She always crawling. She need to walk. Daisha, your mic work over there.
It's on. Oh.
But 30-minute practice, which is good. Y'all see Aisha over there? She's right there. But yeah, if y'all feel like I should talk about something during these vlogs, just let me know. And we can just go from there.
Come on. Ooh. You're okay. You're okay.
The phone. All right, that's us. 3:30 swim lessons. I wonder if that was on camera.
Shoot, I'm glad it was there.
Day number 10, guys.
All right, appreciate it, my man. All right. Next time we check back in, Daisha's gonna have the phone, and I am going to be in the water.
Okay, here we go. She got the whole pool to herself because none of her friends are here. It's just her and her daddy. It's kind of hot in here today, y'all. Sweating. So I guess they're gonna get started on her stations. She has 4 stations, actually 5, that she has to master before she moves on to her next level. So she has to master all 5 before she can move up a level. So she's a baby blue right now. And I think the next level is bright blue.
No, it's the opposite. It's the opposite. I did. Like that. Perfect. Go. Go, baby. Yay!
She did her balloon phase.
That's it. And go! Yay!
Yeah. Can we try the dragon fruit one? Which one's the good best one? Okay, I'll try the lemonade. And then a kid's chicken nugget meal
Oreo milkshake.
or lemonade. And then an Oreo milkshake. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Buffalo, Polynesian, and mayonnaise. Enough. Daisha. Thank you. To you.
So usually after swimming practice, we'll go get some food.
You thought I was gonna hit it?
No, I thought you was getting out of line. the hell?
What?
That person just got out of line too.
No, because they already brought them their food.
Oh. But yeah, today we at Chick-fil-A. We trying the new smokehouse barbecue bacon burger, chicken sandwich. How you think it's gonna be?
Delicious. Everything from Chick-fil-A is delicious.
What did you get to drink?
The new dragon fruit thing. My mom said it's good. And Janelle said it's good too.
Okay, well, we're gonna rate it 1 out of 10 and see if we do recommend.
We're back.
All right, we're back. We got Chick-fil-A. We got the barbecue bacon sandwich, the spicy one, and she got the
Dragon fruit lemonade.
a dragon fruit lemonade. So the bun is different. They have look like a X. It's kind of different. I don't know what the design means. They got some barbecue on there, some bacon. Look like some American. What is that? Kobe Jack.
Yes.
Kobe Jack cheese, lettuce on that motherfucker.
Okay, I'm gonna try the drink. It's good.
It's good.
Sweet.
I wasn't expecting that stuff to be in there.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. What you rated 1 out of 10?
Sam.
A 7.
What'd you rate it?
I would give about a 6, 7 as well.
Go ahead.
You want to cut it in half?
Oh yeah. No, it's okay.
All right. Take the first bite.
She's eating her Chick-fil-A too. It's good?
Yeah.
My turn.
I like that bun. Put a little bit of mayo on mine.
You shitting.
They still back that shitting, y'all.
Look at her.
Okay. For me, without the mayo, I would say it's a 8.5 out of 10. But when I threw that mayo on there, an easy 9. That is good. What about you?
Eight.
I think this can be better if it's real cold.
Oops, sorry. Booty, you got some stickers?
She's struggling back there.
Well, you vlogging some more when you grill?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm grilling today, so I'm gonna vlog while I do that. You know, giving y'all a lot of content, a lot of good content. So, all right, see y'all then. All right, man, we back. Finna cut on this grill. Finna cook some chicken and some hot dogs, man. I mean, it is, springtime, man. So you know what that means. You gotta hop on the grill, man, whenever you can. You know what I mean? Let me get this set up real quick. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, like I say, it is, man. Springtime, so it's time to get it in, you know what I mean? All my grillers, y'all know what I'm talking about. One thing about gas grills is like I really don't like gas grills for real. I think it's just a preference thing. I'm more of a charcoal type of guy. Alright, let that gas get up in there a little bit more. But man, the vlog coming to an end though, man. The first vlog. And I just wanted to touch base on like what this actually is. But we can get into that a little bit later. Damn, I got this bitch. Oh, there, I smell it. Alright. Y'all let that gas get up in there a little bit more. But yeah, might well just gonna talk about it while I wait for this gas to disperse for real. But I'm doing these mini vlogs, like on the weekends, not no daily junk, until I'm able to drop my podcast. Alright. So the podcast that I got going on is called Toast Talk. Alright. It's gonna be a drinking podcast, and it's not gonna be agenda driven. And what I mean by agenda driven is basically we just gonna be chopping it up. It's not gonna be no note cards. I'm not just gonna be sitting here asking you a lot of questions, about your life. It's basically like a conversation. Something very natural, something not forced for real. And the reason why I say drinking podcast is just because, why not? You know what I mean? Why not? Why not let loose, and just talk. Most of the, some of the best conversations are, unrecorded. So, you know how y'all had those conversations with your boys chopping up and be like, dang, man, I wish I heard this. I wish the world heard this. I wish certain individuals were able to hear this conversation, things like that. So it's gonna be very natural, So stay on the lookout for that. I'll probably call these the name of the podcast is gonna be Toast Talk. So I'm thinking about naming these small podcasts Toast Talk Vlogs or something. I really don't have a name for it yet. Alright, man, I'm back. Pretty sure this grill is, heating up. I like to put full on my grill for real, man. I don't like to just raw dog, you know, public grills and shit, man. I know they say the heat kill it, but kill all the germs, but fuck that. Mm-mm-mm. So here go my chicken for real. Good and seasoned. Let me set this up so I can put it on the grill for y'all. All right, bet. There we go. All right, let's go on and place this chicken, man. If y'all didn't see it, here, look, you know, seasoned to perfection. There we go. Here we go, here we go. I mean, the grill could have got a little bit hotter, but it is what it is. Shit gonna cook regardless. But yeah, as I go along doing this junk, man, like I said, this is my first time vlogging. I know the editing gonna be kind of crazy because it's my first time actually, you know, editing something to publish. So, you know, to put it out, you know, for people to see for real, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. The only thing I say is, man, don't sweat the technique, bro. Don't sweat the technique, because you never know. This might be one of the best videos you ever seen. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, man, look at the scenery. Nice little pool area. Dog park action over there. Can't let y'all know where I stay, you know. Too many weirdos out there. But I'm gonna lock back in with y'all when I go to flip the chicken. Let's do that. When I go to flip the chicken, I'll tune back in with y'all so y'all can see how it's going so far. All right, so I'm a little bit behind. I forgot to show y'all, you know, when I flipped it. So I already added the hot dogs. I already flipped the chicken. This is what we're working with right now. You know, it's coming along, you know. I ain't no Chef Ramsay, but, you know, I make it do what it do. People love it. But yeah, back to Toast Talk. So, I already invited guests. The people that's been invited so far, they already know who they are. Our invitations has already been sent out. And one thing about this is all about promotion of brands. You know what I mean? Most of the people that that's gonna come onto the show have a brand that they're repping. You know what I mean? They have a clothing line. They have a specific, you know, and a specific lifestyle, and it's branded to what they, you know, what they want. You know, we'll have a few upcoming rappers on the podcast as well. So it's gonna be very promotion based. You know, I want to use a platform that can help others, basically. So yeah, like I say, to start off, it's gonna be a couple of my homeboys, a couple of friends. So it's gonna be dope, and you know, eventually, you know, just branch out to, you know, people that I don't even know. You know what I mean? They just want to come on and, you know, chop it up, talk to me. You know, talk about, you know, whatever it is. Like I said, there's no agenda. All right, so that's what that is about Toast Talk. But yeah, I don't have a specific date as of now. to jump things off, but just know it's coming soon. Coming soon. All right, man. This gonna be the end of my day. So this gonna be the last part of this vlog. So if you like what you see, I see you again. And next time, bring a friend. Peace. My boy
Peace
Eric,
out.
tell the people, man, tell them your rap name, man.
I'm Willow the Cat,
Willow the Cat, man.
and yeah, I'm Willow the Cat, and my album dropped a year ago, and it's songs about my internet girlfriend, and it's sick, and you need to listen to it. And shout out Andrew because his podcast is gonna be dope.
My man. All right, iTunes.
iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, whatever, Deezer, whatever you have, it's there. So
Yeah.
yeah.
And y'all are gonna be seeing him real soon when we get the podcast started. Peace.
Wow.